Clock it, clock it.
Can you show me OOTD?
OOTD, guys. Home kits here today. Arrows jeans are from Cotton On. These are Adidas. Iwashi is Fossil, and my earrings are Lovisa. Thank you.
It's a parade inside my city.
Okay, guys. Hi, guys. OOTD. Jersey from, of course, Bafana Bastille. Sweatpants are from Cotton On. And then Danks all the way.
Carter, the jeans look nice. True religion. True religion. True religion. Levi. I'm saying Fontaine, gag, OOTD. Okay, guys, we are at the Bafana versus Egypt game. I'm not stressed what. Right, nje ngiphole head office.
Khala umqeqeshi weqela le South Africa uthi
nawe namhlanje
Yves Saint Laurent.
Hey.
Oh, ngicela ukuthi sibo-2. I mean, but I mean, ile ihamba nale. Nomunye umphakela lo.
Ufuna ukuyisa ngami. Ngithi mina. Kudayisa na uyabona ngiyanqanga ukubiza ngami. Lezinto ze. Umuntu abangubaba uzokora igolo lokuqala
weside lethu apolice. Elesibili izokolo Moremi. Elesithathu uzokoro Mahopa.
Oswin Apollos.
Akukho i-10 namhlanje ndiyo.
I'll give it to Frost again.
Ukuthi Mahopa ngalishaya igoli.
Bora Mahopa.
Evidence Mahopa.
Mabuenethi nifale la Sheraton.
Ungamela siwine i-final against Nigeria manje kwi-AFCON or Nigeria makes it to the World Cup.
Nigeria ayiphume kwemanja ngifunda angifundi Nigeria.
Indaba yokusipari kanti. Ngizame noSpire. Nigeria.
Morocco bakhuluma French.
Angazi
abanendaba baphuma Nigeria. Akhona ama Nigeria.
Notification button on my tiba. Infected, I go miss a kula. I can see that never goes, I was with Kiba. Everybody's what's up. Get a melon, it's a shiny coca. Put it up at the cellar. The next day, everybody's on the bar. Triple X, the computer. Notification button on my tiba. Infected, I go miss a kula. I can see that never goes, I was with Kiba. Yazi la bafan, sebenze njani, sebephathe imali, sebesuka abaqoqi sekwamataliyani.
Khangela ufikizo. Khangela wathi baba.
unamanga.
Ukuthatha bona ubona no-3
Ulungele unamanga.
Sebenze njani. Sebenze njani.
Sebane.
Mangay. Ngihamba epilon. I'm getting Right? I'm a pass. Updating you guys. It's half time now. Egypt just got a red card just before half time, so that means that they are one player down. And as in Leslie was what should say a red card mitole ukeeper. That's time ukeeper should mele story sakho because like what if we keep auto red card, what happens in that case? Psych, I know what happens. Coach is allowed to substitute. May substitute kanjalo ikhiphe umdlali on the main field if I'll keep.
The man of the match on our side, I don't think.
Ithuli kakhulu kwamanje igame yabanda fethu. It's unpredictable. So far akekho umuntu osenze kahle egameni ngeze ngiqamba banga, but I'll give it to TLB sithi sanama tackles awashayile.
Kanjani kuzowena iBafana? Uzobusala.
Do you think that yabo ngoba kade benza ama-arrivals abanye disappeared and then obviously you are not dressed up? Do you think that we should have also dripped out like everyone else?
Standard activities.
Do you think that we should have gone the traditional way, like we go with like traditional attires, or made it serious like Masudi?
Masood. Unuthini?
Boring.
Okay,
I
what
mean,
is it?
meaning okay to Adidas mean. I went to but like something formal, but mid like formal. Ngabe formal kakhulu.
Sports what formal.
Ne. Like in there and matching pants. Yabo? Let me think. Really? Hey, let's ubukisa ngami manje yamdlala icamera wami lo msebenzi. Uthini umqeqeshi ngisukubuka hayibo yini Ngivele ngabona ngathi ngathi bayithina ke manje. Ubone sensizwe into esingayi-understand.
Yes. The game was tough. I think we defended in the first half. We played like 7 defenders, including the midfielders in the first half. But I think in the second half the coach approached the game in a more offensive way, introduced Mbule, and then there's Mofokeng. But it was too late, a bit too late. I think in the first half if we had started with Mofokeng or Mbule, it would have been a lot better. But the boys played really well. I mean, so in football, it's either you lose, you win. It's either you win, you lose, or you draw. So it's part of football. But the guys in the second half played really well.
When it's TV, Up back through podcast Lamont Gordon Heroes ngani bebesibizela bezosikhomba ukuthi sidliwe How such
Ama substitutes ka coach uhappy ngawo noma ufile ngathi awenzanga much of it.
yabona nje inhliziyo yami ibhlungu yazi igcuma nephaphu ibhlungu kwangampela ngoba kodwa okay ngicela uba serious ngibone igame ngathi bi first swing isupplier ngathi besingenawo kahle angazi ukuthi kwenzekeni kodwa ke abalazi kahle ibhola bengasichazela isupply ibingekho bese kuba ne wing e1 ebifile leya kwa left ibife ingale kwi back 4 iyofa futhi phambili ezinye zezinto engiyibonile ukuthi phela ibhola ngilazi kodwa ngibonile ukuthi le wing le udlale kahle umdawu kodwa ke ngiyakwazi ukuthi ukudlala kahle kuyenzeka futhi kube uwena uzoba i-downfall abe ikhoncela ubuthaka ikube nje isandla kuphela wachopha umdlali kodwa penalty nalethi nesikhala ngayo kuthiwa ke abalaze ibhola bathi ibhola lesandleni akusona isandla siyebholeni kodwa mina ngithi ibhola lishintshe i-direction ngoba isandla kufanele sibe i-part of the game kodwa ithi into ibhola liyela hayi ukuthi uqhwebe ngesandla kodwa nje sengikhala kakhulu inhliziyo yami ibisibhlungu kakhulu ngoba vele phela bese ngibona nami sengibalile kodwa okunyeke mhlambe angazi ukuthi ikwi coaching batheni besivele sikhulume ngayo indaba yama aerial balls thina sikwazi ukuthi singawina ngama aerial laba bantu bade bonke ugoalkeeper mude ama central defender made ayikho into esoyenza thina ukuthi kufuna senze lento yethu yaphansi kodwa kokugcina igame buthi bungathi inocoach abawu2 uyibonile lesiqale ngayo siqale nge-slow pace saqale kwathi mase ngene igoli mase sibuya ngo-second inning sabona sekudlalwe elinye ibhola kanti bebengadlali kube badlalele elokugcina ngabe bavele beqale ngalo manje baqale ngelinye kusho ukuthi bebesejimeni manje
Hello.